First, Ourplay is a similar app through which you can download and use GMS on Huawei devices. Some popular apps in GMS include Mail, Maps, YouTube, Drive, Photos, etc. So, if you are facing any issues with the earlier apps, then try Ourplay. Ourplay is a Chinese app, so the default language is Chinese. We will provide you with a trick to solve it, but here are the steps to download Ourplay on your device. Step 1. Download the file of Ourplay from the link given below. Step 2. After the file downloads, open Folder. Next up, you will find the APK file of Ourplay. Click on it and install it on your Huawei device. Step 3. Open them. Grant the necessary permissions such as phone, contacts, storage, location, and then wait for a couple of minutes till the app downloads some additional files. Step 4. Tap on the Google Play Store icon and sign into your existing Google account. The process remains the same. If you cannot find the icon, tap on the plus icon and search for it. Step 5. Finally, you can install any app from the Play Store as you used to do earlier or on other devices. At the bottom of this video, or here I feel what appears to you now, must handle the Chinese sentences. Lastly, consider sharing with other Huawei users as well. So, overall, that was the guide on how to download Ourplay on your Huawei device. On a side note, if the Chinese language bothers you, then install the Hi Dictionary APK after you will find the